This is the Firelyte Fireplace store for zero clearance fireplaces, also known as prefab fireplaces. This store has an array of customizations for you to pick from. The Firelyte has two door style options, trackless bifold and cabinet doors. Trackless bifold doors have two panes of glass in each door that allow it to fold compactly in half. Here's an example of how cabinet or twin doors open up on a different fireplace door, the Slimline. Cabinet doors have one solid piece of glass in each door frame. The glass in the doors is 1/4 inch tempered safety glass. This tempered glass is available in 4 tints: clear, gray, bronze, and black. As a safety reminder, always keep the doors open when a fire is burning. The high heat can discolor the finish and shatter the glass. This door does not include spark protection. However, sliding mesh curtains and mesh doors are available as an upgrade on this product. The 1-inch aluminum frame gives the door a modern, slim appearance. The Firelyte door shown here is 36 inches wide and 20·11/16 inches tall. But this door can be custom sized for any prefab fireplace. Enjoy the customization to match the Firelyte to your living space with the 6 powder coats and 2 anodized finish colors available. This replacement fireplace door also works with the following factory-built fireplace models: FMI, Heat and Glow, Heatilator, Majestic, Marco, Martin, Preway, Superior, and Temco. The Firelyte is an inside fit door only. It comes fully assembled with all mounting hardware included for an easy customer installation. Outfit your zero clearance fireplace today with the Firelyte Fireplace door, locked in at contractor pricing.